In this video, you'll learn how to copy and paste email contacts on Mailchimp. This process facilitates the addition of multiple contacts to your audience quickly and efficiently. By following these instructions, you will be able to streamline your email marketing efforts. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials on the login screen. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard where you can manage your campaigns and audience. Next, locate the button labeled Create Email. This is usually found on the right side of the screen. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new email campaign. After clicking, you will see options to set up your audience and designing the email content. Once this screen appears, you will need to click on the close button in the upper right corner. This action will take you back to the previous screen where you can select your recipients. It is important to ensure you are back at the To section before proceeding. After returning, click on the To button. This button is typically located in the email setup area. When you click on it, a prompt will appear asking, who are you sending this email to? This is where you can manage your recipient list. Next, click on the To button again within the prompt. This will lead you to the section where you can add contacts option and click on it. This step is crucial for importing new email addresses into your audience. Now select Upload a File. This option will allow you to upload your contacts from a file, which is often more efficient than entering them manually. Once you click this, you will be directed to a new screen. After that, click on Continue to proceed to the file upload section. It is essential to ensure that your file is in the correct format, such as a CSV file, to avoid any errors during the import process. Be aware that the size of your file can affect upload speed, particularly if your internet connection is slow. Next, click on Select a File. A file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is stored. Ensure that you choose the correct file before moving forward. Once you have selected the CSV file, click on Continue again. At this point, Mailchimp will begin processing your uploaded file, depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. This may take a few moments. Now you will need to wait for a while as Mailchimp processes the imported contacts. During this time, you may see a loading indicator or progress bar indicating the status of your upload. If there are any issues, Mailchimp will provide feedback on what went wrong. After processing, click on Organize Your Contacts to manage the newly imported contacts. This step is important for maintaining an organized audience list. You may receive a message recommending that you keep all contacts in one audience for better marketing efficiency. Next, click on Continue to proceed with the import process. You may need to repeat this action multiple times as you progress through the confirmation steps. Each Continue click will guide you further along in the import process. Continue clicking through the prompts until you reach the final import confirmation. Each step may include instructions or recommendations to help you maximize your audience management. Finally, click on Finalize Import. This action will complete the import process and you will be notified once it is successful. Make sure to review any notifications that may provide further instructions or confirmations. Once you have finalized the import, click on Complete Import to ensure that all changes are saved and that your contacts are now part of your audience. This step is crucial for ensuring that your email list is up to date and ready for future campaigns. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.